Hello class, welcome to my channel, and then today we are going to look at how to do your own brows. Yes, so let's go right into the video. First, to do your brows you need some tools, and the tools that you need, first you will need your spooling. Yes, this is called a spooling to comb up your brows, and then you are going to need your pencil. Okay, it could be a black pencil or a dark brown pencil, a concealer, okay, in your shade, in a shade, okay, that fits, or a foundation or a concealer palette. Yes, you could use any of these. This is called a palette. Okay, you can see I have some products on it already, so I'm going to use it again. Your brow tamer or your gel. I use gel to tame my brows. Okay, if you don't know what taming your brows is, we will learn all these in the video. Setting powder, you're going to know what it's used for. The most important tools are your concealer brushes. We have different types of them. So far as it's an angled brush you are going to use to conceal. This Bobbi Brown brow pencil, and that's what I'm going to use today. There are two ways in sculpting your brows, and I'm going to show you the two. So first, you are going to take your brow tamer and your spooling. Just take a little, brush your hair up, okay, with the tamer or the gel, okay, like this. Can you see? This helps to hold firm your brows. Okay, the brows will not move anywhere, whether you are sweating or not. Your brows stay at one place. You can use your hand to rub on it. Can you see the difference from this side to this side? Now after you've done this, you are going to use your setting powder. Just pour a little onto your palette, and then you are going to take your either your beauty blender or your eyeshadow brush. Okay, so I'm going to use the eyeshadow brush. Take a little dab and then dab it on your brows. Okay, dab it on your brows. You can equally go in with your beauty blender. I want to use the two so that if you are a beginner, you would know how to do this step by step. Okay, now we are doing this. You are going to set your brow because you want, when you draw the brows, you have a defined brow look. If you want to draw your brows, you are going to need a pencil that is very sharp at the tip. Okay, a very sharp pencil. So always make sure that your pencils are sharpened. You start from below your brow like this. Just follow the video, it is self-explanatory. Draw along the shape of your brow. So from here at the bridge of your nose to this side, the outer corner of your eye. Okay, see the eye, see the measurement. So from here, and don't press your hand too hard. It should end somewhere here. Okay, you're going to start from the middle here. Okay, from the middle here. We want to have a natural look. Gone with the days we start from here, but you want to have a flawless natural look. So you're going to draw, and then take your time when you are drawing. When you get to this junction, the bridge of your eye, when you get to this point, okay, now sculpt it down to meet the down one that you drew. The top and the down will meet somewhere here. Okay, now if the lines are not straight or anything, don't worry, because you're going to correct it using the concealer. You're going to fill in the brows. Okay, fill in the brows. Then you're going to draw a stroke like this to fake natural hairs. Can you see? Draw a stroke, fake natural hairs. Draw the strokes in between like this, and then with the back you can fill in like this. I hope you can see what I'm doing. You can fill in like this, so you're going to have a natural look at the front, and the back you fill in. Okay, so with concealer you want to go in with the shade of your skin tone. Okay, but with the down one it has to be brighter than the top one. So I took a color from this side, you can see it's already been used, a color that is brighter, and then mix it a little bit with my natural skin tone, the one that matches my skin tone. So this and this, and then I'm getting this outcome, okay? And that's what I'm going to use to outline my brows. That's the down one. So let's take a bit. Now you do not want to go in with plenty products at a time. You go in little by little, okay? One step at a time, no pressure. Don't pressure yourself. Remember, this is constant practice that will make you perfect. So you need to practice as much as you can. You are going to start from the outer part of your eye, okay? Now you have to take your time, okay? Take your time in doing this, because the little mistake you do is going to mess up your whole brow, and you have to clean and start again. So can you see? You're not going to clean the whole thing, okay? You're just shaping it to have a defined brow, a sharp one to be precise. Now I have this. See how sharp it is? Very sharp. And then you are going to take foundation, okay? A foundation that matches your skin tone. So on my palette, now this is a cream palette. I'm using a cream concealer from Classic. That's what I'm using, okay? So from the palette, this is my skin tone. It matches my skin very well. It's down in color, so I'm going to take that one. So take a bit like this, okay? Like this. Like I said, you are not going to use so much product that when you make a mistake you can correct it easily. Seal the front line like this. I'm going to take the same thing to outline. Now most people don't even outline their top brows, but for the sake of learning's sake, let me show you the same dark foundation, or the foundation that matches your skin that you use. You can use your skin foundation, the one that matches your skin tone, and then conceal the top parts of your brows. I'm using the mirror, okay? Now this video is very self-explanatory, so you just have to follow anything I'm doing in the video. With any shape you want, it starts from concealing your brows. You can draw your brows anyhow you want it, but when you're concealing, you have to define the kind of shape that you want or look. How you draw your brows, let me say this, how you draw your brows is going to determine the kind of face you are going to look. You see some people, their brows are hanging. We have different types of faces, and then the brows that matches. Steady your face. Constant practicing will make you know what works best for your skin. So you'd want to define the top two. I hope you can see you. And then bring it down again to meet the other side. Now you are going to close the gap behind it. Go in like this. So in drawing brows, this side should be a little bigger, then the outer lane should be thin. Take your beauty blender. Your beauty blender must be damp. This is not damp yet, okay? It must be damp, meaning dip it into water, squeeze the water out, and then use it to clean your brows. This is going to help you to soak up all the excess products on your face. I have my damp beauty blender here now. I have it, and then that's what you are going to use to clean off the excess parts of your brows, okay? Cleaning. Okay, so you're going to use, at the same time, instead of using the beauty blender, you can use your brush, okay? You can use your brush, like a concealer, a eyeshadow brush, or a concealer brush that can help. So yeah, like this, dab dab dab. You can use it. Beauty blender, same thing applies. Dab dab dab. Let's move to the other brows. With other brows, I'm not going to use a brow tamer or a brow gel or anything. I'm just going to draw the brows. Brush your brows up, okay? Take your sharp pencil and then start the same thing you did here, the same thing you're going to do here. The only difference is that you're not going to tame your brows, okay? Without using the brow tamer, you can actually obtain the same thing using only the powder. But then we are not going to use the powder. We are going to do the normal thing that most people do. So here, start the brows, the same thing you did on the other side. We are not going to mount an afaja, so you are not going to draw the brows until you see the end of your destiny. Please, I beg, don't do that, okay? It ends somewhere here. I'm going to use a different concealer brush for you to see. Like, you can use so many brushes, okay, to do your brows. So let's clean it. This is another trick I'm showing you, okay? You can start from here and then draw the stroke down to meet the other part. So with this, it's easy to clean the excess part for you. Then you can start from this side. Make sure you're following the shape of the brow that you do, okay? You're going to be the judge of which one best suits the look. Whenever you are doing your brows and you realize that your brow, some part is clean, please, you can always correct it by using the pencil to define your brows again, okay? Use your pencil. So then you have it. Now this is the final look of our brow tutorial. Use what works best for you. I think I'm falling in love with this kind of brows, this one especially, because it's thin, light, and then it's kind of fits my face. Guys, be the judge. Thank you, and then I'll see you in my next video, okay?